There's the little Ibis buddies out there. They love bread. There you go, Ibis buddies. There you go, Ibis buddies. They love bread. Hey, Ibis, come on over here. Come on over here, little Ibis buddy. It's a white Ibis. They're real friendly. They're real friendly. Where you going? Here, you want some more? Come on. There you go. They love bread. Got them. Sometimes there's so many of them in the backyard you can't even see the grass. This is a small little flock here. Sometimes they're big flocks back here. Hey, Ibis. They're friendly little guys. This is a little bird feeder. This is a bird feeder. Got all kind of little sparrows in there. You can see them jumping around. Hey, Ibis. What are you doing there, bud? What are you doing, huh? Oh, he's hungry. Oh, he's friendly. He's a quick guy there. He's a quick guy. Hey, Ibis. There's some sparrows in there. Okay, Ibis. There's a big turkey buzzard. What are you guys doing, huh? What are you guys doing? What are you doing, Mr. Ibis? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Okay. Say goodbye, Mr. Ibis. Say goodbye.